This guy's trying to do a video, but he don't want to do a video. Said he doesn't have confidence, guys.
Rude.
Get some confidence, dude.
Don't be posting this.
Don't be posting this. Oh, somebody got yogurt on my towel. My towel's on the thing. It's just got water. Let's see how well that does. You're supposed to be able to just wipe it up. Water. I'll just drool. Well, that's it from the daylight. Yes, baby. You can go outside. Mark Gray. Say goodbye to this dishwasher. This dishwasher's going bye-bye today. This old, stuck in lock position dishwasher is going bye-bye. See that they're crying still? Oh. When your kids are crying because they're mean, oh, the flash makes you see everything. Time to clean that mirror. Oh, look at this. Ah. My girlfriend brought her daughter over so she can spend the night with our son. And she brought this over. Caramel nut Danish. I don't know. You said it was good, Sean, right? Yeah, you said it was good.
Probably way better warm, though.
Yeah, that's what she said, to warm it up. I got my coffee brewing. Woohoo! Oh, gotta clean that too. Look at this. She brought me a new cup. You know me. Mug of the day, guys. All I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Mug of the day. Hey. Mug of the day. Kids are gonna go outside and play. They'll be here soon, hopefully with the new dishwasher. I'll have to bring it through that door because it's too hard to bring the stuff up the stairs. That's where we got some of the stuff moved. This guy. Little mama. Crabby pants today. Are they here?
Maybe. Can I see this real quick, honey? You can have it. I won't give it back.
Dang.
Gotta research something
snap.
before a movie. Video.
Tree. No snow. The snow melted. All the snow melted outside. So it's time to get all this stuff put away now. Then we got a second chance. Yay. Yay. No, not yet. New dishwasher. Needs to be cleaned. The fingerprints and stuff on it. It's Electrolux. It's pretty cool. It has the, oh yeah, it's gotta be cleaned. We've been running it a couple times. But it has the, pad here. So yeah, just gotta clean it. It's kind of cool. Getting used to it. I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna run into this handle like 5 times a day. Shh. Sean being all extra. So we Sean ran and got a couple things at Cub for tacos tonight, and he's gonna make stroganoff tomorrow. So he got some egg white pasta. Just gonna grab the stuff out of the bag. It's got top potato. Got that.
Sorry.
Got a new Cub card. No, guys.
No. All the fruits and veggies. Sorry.
Yeah. Ari wanted the snack, Sean said, so he got some peanut sweet and salty. I don't know if he's really gonna like those. I think that was more of a daddy thing. Got olive oil or vegetable oil. We got beef broth to go with his stroganoff. Hold on, buddy. Not yet. We got lettuce for tacos. Mushrooms for the stroganoff. Chopped chilies for stroganoff? No, for, what are the chilies for? The chilies are for your...
Grits.
He wants to make grits.
Iceberg's gonna make grits.
So, we'll see how that turns out. We got some new strawberry spread jelly for the kids. Jalapenos. Yes, yes. Butter. Tortilla chips. What else do we have? Kids screaming. We usually do ground turkey. This time we got ground beef. So we got two things of ground beef, and then he got the steak for his stroganoff. So Ew, it looks all gross in the package.
Guys.
Alright, so there's the other ground beef. We got lime. We got limes. Not just lime. Got red onion. Avocados. Let's see. Cilantro. You have to have cilantro with your tacos. Have to. We got sour cream. The kids like the paste garden pepper, so we got that for them, the salsa. Got a yellow onion for his stroganoff tomorrow. Ranch packet to mix with the top potato for veggies to dip into. Kids are loud, playing on the stairs. Kids are losing their mind. We ran out of the Costco taco seasoning, so we got a couple taco seasonings. Diablo, salsa Diablo hot. So I guess we'll try this. See how spicy this is. I love spicy food. Sean loves spicy food. So we'll see. It has to be spicy and delicious. So we'll see if this is both. And let you guys know. And I think the last thing is 2 packs of tortillas that we like to kind of fry up on the stove. And I think that was it. And we got 2 packs of water as well. Yep. So I love how when I designate a job to the husband, like, hey, go make the meat, that I end up finishing it. Does that ever happen to anybody? He's listening. Nothing. You can't hear anything over your loud video game. His video game. This is why the meat's not getting done, guys. You understand what I'm saying over here? The meat's not getting done because somebody's having some fun. We're gonna try this desert pepper authentic salsa Diablo hot. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. He's getting a good dip. You need a haircut.
It's not hot.
No?
It's delicious though.
Interesting.
Not spicy. Dang, I was hoping to be scorching hot or whatever, but freaking. It's
not that hot.
It's so afterburn though.
It's not that hot.
Hey, let me get
It's good. But I definitely think I've made hotter homemade salsa. Sean, I've already